How to set up a professional email with Squarespace and Google Workspace. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to set up a professional email with Squarespace and Google Workspace. First, log in to your Squarespace homepage. At the top, click on Domains, and this will take you to the Domains page. Now, click on the domain you want to use for your email. On the left-hand side, click on Email. Here, you will see the option to get a unique Google Workspace email. Go ahead and click Get Started. Now you will see three different Google Workspace plans. Choose the one that works best for your needs. The starter plan is a good choice for most. Next, choose whether you want to pay annually or monthly. Click Confirm Selection. Then, you will be taken to the registration page. Pay attention to this section, New Email Address. By default, it will create username at yourdomain.com. You can change the username or whatever type you want. Next, fill in the rest of the form with your personal information and billing details. Once you complete registration, your professional email will be ready to use. And that's it. Now you know how to set up a professional Google Workspace email using your Squarespace domain. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.